All right, we're gonna get what we get because I'm not even warmed up here, but we're just messing around with some flam rudiments, flams, the Swiss Flammed Triplet or the Swiss Army Triplet, which is like a right-hand flam, right, left, and it stays on the same side. It does not alternate. Or from the left side. So, once again, right hand flam, right, as if it's a flam tap, and then followed by another stroke from the other side. So, 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4 and a. And if you add then another stroke on the other side, you go right hand flam, right, left, right, you would get what's called a flammed mill. Now those will alternate. So right hand flam, right, left, left hand flam, left, right, left. So you get. So then you can put those in combination for a little bit of fun, and you could do, if you're playing 16th notes, you could play 4 Swiss Army triplets. So 4 times 3 is 12, so that would be 3 beats worth of 16th notes. And then do a flammed mill for the 4th beat, and that will alternate as well. So you get a good workout on each side. So it would be like, you know. So if you get your foot tap in there, you can get the 4 Swiss Army triplets as a kind of 4 against 3, kind of a polyrhythmic thing, and then balancing out the 4th beat with the 4 strokes of the flammed mill. So, on a rainy day, cold winter night, lots of fun.
Your name?
Oh, okay. Yeah, who am I? I'm Robert Hutchinson. I'm one of the drum instructors here at Middlesex Music Academy. And hey, look forward to seeing you sometime soon.